So for this one I was actually not sure if I should make a video at all, but it's a magnifying lamp light, so we'll keep it short. If you like it, if not, skip this. But it might be a useful companion for you, especially when you do a lot of soldering, or maybe also your reading ability is not the best anymore. Who knows? Thank you, you're welcome. Narcolis. That is all you need. There's a magnifying glass and it does have the LED. Let's see. Those days everything is with plastic. One extra. Interesting. Oh yeah, that's a magnifying glass. Brighter. Ooh, different lights. Warm light, cold light. Warm. Cold, warm. Cold. Daylight, no daylight, off. Not bad. Little flimsy here, very cheaply. I feel like it has only one direction to spin around. That's all. Cannot bend it. It's just one direction. There we go. Let me know what you think and if you would use such a magnifying glass, especially with LED.